guys, it's your girl Faith93, and thank you all for tuning back into my channel. And if you're new to my channel over here just lurking around, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so that you do not miss out on any of my videos. Alright, so today is day 2 of Faithtober. Today is October 3rd. So if you are new to my channel, I am starting Faithtober, which is where I'm uploading a video every other day for my birthday month. So yeah, we trying to see how this goes. But in today's video, as you can guess by the title, I want to start a savings challenge with you guys. So for my birthday, I decided, hey, why not, start saving a little bit more money for myself. I've already been doing savings challenges throughout the year, so I just want to add a little bit more money to my final stash that's going to be at the end. And so I went to Dollar Tree and I was able to pick up one of these like shadow box piggy banks, you guys. So it just says treat yourself. I thought it was so cute, and it has a little opening where you can slide your money into. So we're going to be saving $1,000 in 13 weeks, you guys. So the challenge actually starts on Monday. So if you want to participate in this challenge with me and get this Shmoney, leave a comment down below and let me know if you're doing it. I'm also going to try to have like a Google Docs or something in the Google Drive that y'all can click on in the description box so you can download the actual thing, what it looks like. But let me go ahead and show you what we're going to be doing, because I got this method off of Pinterest. Alright, so when I go to my Pinterest, alright, so these are the things. I have 2 different $1,000 savings challenges. So the first one, you're putting in different amounts for each week. So you'll see there'll be like a $65, $85, $90. So this is what you're going to put in for 12 weeks, okay? And every time you do it, you're going to cross off one of the squares, kind of like a little bingo game or whatever. The other one that I have is done in 13 weeks. And so this is where you just put in $77 each time. So $77 each week. And guys, I think that's like very, very doable. Like, I don't know about y'all, but I can go to just Crab and spend me a good $50 just on myself. So, and also like other days that I eat out and stuff, like all that adds up like a lot. So I think that this is very, very possible. Like, guys, y'all just don't understand like where we be spending our money at. Like, especially if you don't budget your money, like your money can just be gone and you're like, well, what did I buy? And yeah, you didn't spend it on some foolishness. So instead of going on Amazon and buying the stuff that is in your cart right now, go ahead and delete all that stuff in your cart, because girl, we about to save this Shmoney. We gotta get to this money, okay? So we're going to be doing these savings plans. I'm going to have both of them posted where it can be like a little checklist for you guys. Yeah, we're going to get to it. So once again, let me know in the comment section if you're going to be participating in this savings challenge with me. Y'all, these folks over here beeping their horn and stuff, they about to... I'm trying to film a video. They want to mess with me. Anyways, yeah, let me know if y'all are going to do it. Let me know if y'all want to see updates so that like we can hold each other accountable. I can come back on here and show what I've checked off so far for the month, just so that we can hold each other accountable. I know that that's a big thing. If you have somebody holding you accountable, you'll do it more so. So yeah, let's save this $1,000. Like, Christmas is coming up. Y'all gonna be bent backwards trying to buy Christmas gifts and stuff. Well, this $1,000 can help you buy Christmas gifts, or you can even save this $1,000 for like an emergency fund. If you've been trying to save up for an emergency fund, like, let's start it. Let's have that emergency fund by the end of this year, you guys. Cause I don't know about y'all, but 2020 been crazy. Yeah, like, you never know when stuff is gonna happen, when you might need that extra money. So let's save this money together, you guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.